In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best angle grinders available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the angle grinders mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, 125mm Brushless Angle Grinder with Makita 18V battery. This 125mm Brushless Angle Grinder is perfect for renovation teams and DIY enthusiasts. With a 2-gear speed system, it offers precise control for various tasks. Its high-temperature resistant copper enameled wire ensures durability, while the thickened cover shield provides enhanced safety. The upgraded side handle improves stability during operation. Powered by a Makita 18V battery, it delivers reliable performance for grinding and cutting. A great deal for professionals and DIYers alike. Number 4, 16.8V Cordless Angle Grinder with 6000 mAh battery, ideal for home DIY projects and professionals. This 16.8V cordless angle grinder features a 10mm turntable aperture for versatile applications. With a powerful 650W motor and high-speed 28,000 RPM, it ensures efficient grinding and cutting. The 6000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery provides extended runtime for uninterrupted work. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for various tasks, from metal cutting to surface polishing. A must-have tool for any craftsman or home workshop. Number 3, DEKO 115mm Electric Angle Grinder, 800W power tool, designed for home DIY grinding and cutting tasks. This DEKO 115mm electric angle grinder delivers exceptional power with an 800W motor. The high-speed 11,000 RPM ensures efficient and precise cutting performance. With an M14 spindle thread, it securely holds the disc in place for safe operation. Its compact size makes it easy to handle, while the powerful motor provides heavy-duty grinding capabilities. Ideal for tackling tough materials like metal, stone, and wood. Number 2, Cordless Angle Grinder, 9000 R/min, lithium battery. This cordless angle grinder is perfect for both DIY and professional use. Featuring a thickened protective cover for safety, it ensures precision grinding with minimal risk. The exquisite design improves work efficiency, while the upgraded pure copper wire motor delivers powerful performance. With fast charging and a high-endurance lithium battery pack, you get longer operation times without frequent recharges. Versatile, efficient, and easy to use, it's an excellent choice for various grinding and cutting applications. Number 1, DayPlus Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder, 115mm. The DayPlus Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder is a reliable tool for DIY and professional use. Equipped with a long-lasting 3.0 Ah battery, it provides extended working time without interruptions. The 2-position handle offers better control and comfort, making it easier to maneuver. Quick disc changes are possible thanks to the spindle lock mechanism. Designed for a wide range of applications, it's perfect for cutting, grinding, and polishing various materials. A high-quality and budget-friendly choice for all users. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best angle grinders available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through